Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today it's Saturday, July the 23rd. Yes, we have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Sudoku Medium and a Quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. And we have also in this newspaper, an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, and look, the publisher published letters, unique letters, so no double letters. We have here 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Look, Saturday, July the 21st, 2022, yes. And we have two tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. The binary and those puzzles, I'm not interested. 7 extra puzzles in additional. I won't do them all. I will divide it half for today and half for tomorrow, because tomorrow we have no newspaper. I will do tomorrow. Yeah, let me do the. I cannot promise the Samurai Sudoku. I will do the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star tomorrow. But now, medium Sudoku number. Let me zoom this out. Yes, this will be number. I believe 4896. Yes, 4896. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright? So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Let me see. 205. Okay. The 4 in this column, the 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in this box. 4 in this column, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. Here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row. So no 4 there, 4 should be here. And look, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 here in the last row. So no 4 in this box. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Okay. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Yeah. 8, 7, 6. We have a 7 in this row, first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Well, I cannot continue with the 7. Need to wait. Then. How about the one in the last column? The one in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the one should be there. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 5. Well, we have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the third column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9. It goes there. 2 numbers left in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 it goes there. All right. So now we have, let me see. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. All right. 3, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in this row, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. Then 1. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8. And look, we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in that row, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. So the 7 and 8 are left. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Alright. 1. Then the 9 in this row. The 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see here 9 in the first column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Then. Let me see. How about Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here 7 in this row, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there in this big square. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the second column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And look, we have a 7 now here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. Alright. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Alright. 2 numbers left in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the second column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the third column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. Alright. 3, 3. I cannot continue with the 3 now. Let me see. 6 and 2. Needed 2 here. Needed 2. How about those missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then. Let me see. 5. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright, cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. 1 box left in the second row. 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 3 in the last row, the 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8, we have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8, we have an 8 in this first column, so no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Final box in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Finished in 16 minutes. 60 minutes. Well, I've told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this medium Sudoku at 2 stars puzzle. Yes, it's definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now. Yes, the daily Sudoku practice continues. Bye-bye.